Hello viewers, I am Bilal Said from mgsoft.com. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can add emojis in PyChart for Windows and how to install a plugin for emojis. Go to File and go to Settings and then click here on Plugins. Click here on Marketplace and write here emoji. This is yet another emoji store. Click on this and click install. It will install in a few seconds and then click restart IDE. Restart and your PyCharm will restart in a few moments. Close and here your plugin is installed. Let us see. Go to File, Setting and Plugins and here Install. You can see it is installed. Now how to use it? Let us see. Print and you should only write a colon and here you can write anything like smile. You see it is smiling cat. Again type a colon and airplane. In this way you can use your, I tell you again, only in a quotation marks write a colon and you see the list of all the smileys available in this plugin. Let's again colon airplane and here I start this. You see it is aeroplane. In this way you can use this plugin in your projects.